how to run lead generation ads using landing page. Now, if you have been following this series, you see that we have created our landing page with AI, then we make it functional on system.io. And in the last video, I installed Pixel on the landing page. So now I'll be using it to run ads properly. So follow me through. So if you have not watched the three previous video, I'll put it in the description so that you can watch it. Then you know what we are doing here. So we have installed our pixel, so I need to go back to ads manager. Okay, so since I'm here, I'm just going to click on create lead, click on leads, continue. Then I love to name my campaign, my ad set, and my ad level same. So Saturn ebook. Okay, copy that. So for the budget, I want to spend 10,000 naira daily. This ad. Okay, so next. So the ad set level is where we do majority of the settings. So I'm going to also name this Saturn ebook. So for the conversion location, since I'm using a website, I'm going to be choosing website. So I've chosen my page. So I'm choosing website. Then for the data set, this data set that we created, right? Saturn ebook, right? So for the event, just choose lead. Yeah, that's the event you are tracking. So scroll down. So I want the ad to start immediately, right? Then for the audiences, I want just specific places. So I want Lagos. I want Lagos, Ibadan, Ibadan, Oshogbo. So you just choose the state that you want. I'm choosing the one that I want here. Accra, Accra and Elisha. Elisha Oshun. Okay, so these are the places I want the ad to be shown to. So click on show more control. For the minimum age, based on what I'm selling, my minimum age is going to be 25. So I'll choose 25. And okay, 25. Then language, I'm choosing English. Awesome. So then I think that's all. For the placement, I will just leave it at automatic placement. Allow Facebook to do it, their thing. I click on next. So I will change this also to start of ebook. So so the next thing I need to do now is to put my URL here, my website URL. So I'll go back to my system.io marketing page and I'll copy this, then I'll paste it here. Right. So I think that's that about that. Then for the add-ons, I don't want any add-ons. You can put none. The display link also put your website link there. Then the creative. So I'm going to be using image creative. So I'm choosing image, which is this one, and click on next. Then for next, for the call to action, I will use learn more. Now I'll use download since they are coming for the ebook download. Um, for the headline and primary text, I'm going to use ChatGPT to help me to create that. So I will just I will put okay. So I'm going to upload the ebook mockup so that ChatGPT can help me with that. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm having some light issue here, but I believe you can still hear me. So I want to upload the ebook mockup so that ChatGPT can help me with that. Okay. This is it. Create a good copy, create a good meta copy and headline for this creative. Call out, call out my audience in the copy. Now, whenever you're writing a copy, try to always call out your audience because that will help Facebook in um their targeting and also to help you reach the right kind of person. So I'll use this one. Stop wasting money on digital marketing courses for the headline. Then for the copy, I think I'll go for short one. Yeah, go for this. Then right. So next, so Facebook is giving me some variation of AI stuff. I can choose this. I think I like this. This is fine. This is also good. I think this is also good. So next, done. So there we have it right there. You can see this is a preview of the ad. Let me click on advanced preview so you can see how the ad will look like when it is running. Something like this. So anyone that click on this is going to show them um is going to bring them to this page. Remember, this is the link I'm using. So it's bring them to this page. They'll fill in their first name and email. Then once they click on get your free ebook now, it will take them to my um it will take them to my thank you page. Let me show you the thank you page. So this is the thank you page, right? So they'll click here to get the ebook and they'll come to my WhatsApp. So anyone that click on this, Facebook will recognize them as the lead. And with that, Facebook is able to skyrocket and scale the ad for me to get the perfect result. So now once I'm satisfied with that, click on save and I'm going to publish. So I think there's no money on this ad account yet. I'm going to settle that. So just click on publish and your ad will start to run. It said I have some errors. Okay, this one is just something simple. But so that's how to create a a lead generation ad using landing page. I believe you have learned something in this video. If yes, ensure that you like, comment, you subscribe so that you can support me. This information I'm showing you, they are premium informations and you should value them. See you in the next one.